Hey everyone, I'm Nashay. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If not, thank you for tuning back in. I appreciate you. In this video, I'll show you how I installed these really cute island twists or boho twists. I just know they're trending and they're cute, so let's get into it. So for this style, I'll be using two types of hair. For the twists, I'm using the Collection Afro Nala Tress 6X Afro Twist Braid hair in length 80 inches and color 1B. For the curls, I'm using the Harlem 125 Kima Classic Signature Bulk in the Ripple Deep Curl pattern in length 20 inches and color 1B. I start parting in the back, creating 3 sections in the first row. Using the magic fingers, shine and jam, I begin braiding the section about 1/4 of the way down and then leave the ends. I use this braiding method all over my head to create the sections. I created 25 sections in the back half of my head and 28 sections in the front half. For this style, I'll use the entire strand of Marley hair, so I didn't split or cut the strand. I used a crochet hook to install the hair. I insert the hook into the base of the plait, hook the Marley hair onto the crochet needle, and pull half of the Marley hair all the way through so my braid is anchored in the middle of the Marley hair. I take one side of the Marley hair and begin wrapping it around the base of my hair and the other half of the Marley hair. It's important to wrap the hair in the same direction you plan on twisting in. I wrap to the end of my braid, then I separate the ends of my hair, adding it to each side of the Marley hair and begin rope twisting. After twisting about 1/4 of the way down, I add a strand of the curly hair. I separated each strand of the ripple deep hair into 4. I hold the curly hair unevenly as I feed it into the twist. I continue twisting with both sides of the curly hair joined with the Marley hair until I get to the end of the shorter side to anchor it in. Then I take out the longer side of the curly hair and continue twisting. Once I get to a spot I'm comfortable with, I add another strand of the curly hair and continue twisting. And as I get closer to the end, I add another strand of the curly hair. I didn't add any curly hair to the very ends of the twist because the twists were already very long. So I just added the last piece of curly hair high enough so the ends of the curly hair fall a little lower than the ends of the twist, so it gives the appearance of the curly ends. I add some braid gel to the curls to remove frizz, and then I snip off the ends of the curly hair that were sticking out from the twist. And that's it. Here's the install method again. So for a few of the twists in the back, I added 3 pieces. However, most of the twists in the back of my head, I added 4 pieces of the curly hair. And once I got to the top half of my head and saw how full it was, I added 3 curly pieces to each twist for the rest of the style. I absolutely love this style. The twists are very light. As long as you don't completely submerge the hair in water, it's not heavy at all. And it's not tight. I can immediately put it up into a ponytail. So for the pack of hair, there are 10 strands of Marley hair in each bundle and 6 bundles in the pack. So I had a total of 60 strands of Marley hair to work with. I parted my hair strategically to make sure I had enough hair in the pack for my entire head. I parted a total of 53 sections on my head. This was such an easy install, I would definitely try this style again. It's such a vibe. As always, all of the products used are linked in the description box. Also check it out for more information regarding the hair and parting details. If you try out the style, let me know in the comments down below. Please like this video before you go and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.